Hello, welcome to the Job Tracker tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create your Job Tracker project, starting with a MeasureSquare project file that has been synced to the cloud by your estimating team. To begin, let's log into your MeasureSquare account at jobtracker.measuresquare.com and click on New Project in the top right. You can click on this icon and you will see all of your MeasureSquare projects that have been synced to the cloud. I am already logged in with my MeasureSquare ID, so it will bring up a pop-up where you can see a roster of MeasureSquare project files associated with my MeasureSquare ID. At the search bar up top, you can look for different project files. I'm going to select the Cone Health file. When we click on this file, it will load the plan data. Then you have access to each tab of the project. Then tap on the Next button at the bottom right. Here you are able to rename the project if needed and put in the address. As you can see, Tracker already grabbed the MeasureSquare project file name. Now you can click Save. This will now take us to the Tracker project overview area. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.